Welcome the channel. Today we how to connect make.com to Airtable for lead enrichment, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your make.com account. If you do not have an account, create one by following the registration process. Once logged in, click on Create a new scenario from the dashboard. In the scenario editor, search for Airtable in the app selection menu. Select Airtable as your first module. Next, choose the Watch Records action to monitor new records added to your Airtable base. You will be prompted to connect your Airtable account. Click on Add to create a new connection. A new window will appear, asking for your Airtable API key. To find your API key, log into your Airtable account and navigate to the account settings. Copy the API key from your Airtable account and paste it back into the make.com connection window. Ensure that you set the appropriate permissions for the connection. Once the connection is established, select the Airtable base you wish to connect to. Choose the table from your Airtable base that contains your leads. Click OK to finalize your module settings. Now, add another module by clicking on the plus icon. This time, search for your preferred lead enrichment service. Select the relevant action for enriching leads. Connect your lead enrichment service account by following the prompts. Map the fields from Airtable to the fields of the lead enrichment service. For example, match names and emails to the corresponding fields. Click OK to confirm your mappings. Next, add another module to update Airtable with the enriched data. Search for Airtable again and select the Update a Record action. Connect the same Airtable account if prompted. Now, select the same base and table as before. For the update process, you'll need to specify the record ID from the previous module. Map the enriched data fields back to the Airtable fields for updates. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.